Hi guys, it's Zaf from Piranha Profits, and today we are at Outlook 2026. So we're back at Marina Bay Sands, and for some of you that don't know what Outlook is, it's an event where like-minded traders and investors gather to hear insights from our three mentors, Adam, Bang and Alson. So they're going to be sharing a review of last year's market. They're going to be talking about the current market condition and what they forecast, and also the strategies that they're going to deploy in the upcoming year. So let's see what's going on for this event today. Let's go. Alright, so we're inside the hall right now. This is the Roselle Simplor Ballroom, and we're seating over 2,000 people here. Let me show you the front rows, huh? So these are the gold seats, and at the front two rows we have the diamond seats. So Adam right now is preparing, and he's mentally and psychologically preparing for his presentation. It's very important we do not disturb him during this period because his presentation is going to start soon and he needs to get into the speaker mode. It's very taxing on someone, especially since it's 2 to 3 hours presentations each. So let's get to the event, huh? Right, so right now we're at the registration area. It's 8 a.m. Registration's begun. There's already a line. And there's lots of people coming in right now over there. So once they register, they can grab their goodie bags, they can grab their free t-shirt, and there's even a photo taking booth right here. So here's the holding area. The doors will be opening in 15 minutes. Registration actually just started and there's already a line. People are just waiting to get the first dibs on the best seats in the house. So we're expecting about 2,000 to 2,500 people joining us today. So the first crowd just came in. There's so many people. I think the front rows are being filled up quickly right now. So a lot of people are still in the registration booths outside. We're gonna expect a lot more people to come in. This whole room's gonna be completely filled, okay? So we're gonna be starting around 9 a.m. That's another 40 minutes from now. So it's around 15 minutes more until the event begins. The seats are quickly filling up. The Diamond and Gold members, they are currently relaxing in their lounge. They have a dedicated registration booth. You can just go in straight to their lounge and they'll be escorted into the room once we're gonna be starting. Alright guys, so the Diamond and Gold ticket holders just came in. The room is almost fully packed, but there's still lots of people registering. The queue is all the way to the end, starting a bit later to give everyone a chance to come in and get their seats so that everyone can enjoy the event fully from start to finish. So Adam's at the backstage already. He's miking up right now. The room is like 99% filled and we're gonna start really soon, guys.
Traders who choose to be early because the biggest opportunities don't seem obvious at the start. They reveal themselves to the people who are prepared before the event, before the hype, and before the crowd. That's why they are here, to focus on what truly matters first.
thank you so much for taking the time to be here today at Outlook 2026. I apologize for the late start. We had a huge group of people that we had to clear. Once again, thank you for being here. Give yourself a big round of applause. Come on.
So I talked about what happened last year in terms of global markets and why China and Singapore had outsized returns. I also talked about what were the lessons learned from the markets, as well as what were my hits, what I got right, what I missed out. And I also did like a reflection of my portfolio, how I could have done better and how they could apply those lessons to their own investments. And great to see again people flying in from all around the world, people from Romania, New Zealand, Australia. It was really great to see them in person. And yeah, I think the first session went really well. I think they really appreciated all the knowledge that they had.
Right, guys, so Adam's first session's almost done. We're gonna have a short break before we move on to Alson's session.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to our Outlook event. So I believe you guys have enjoyed attending session earlier on investing. So now moving on to my session will be more on trading.
Well, I think the main key theme is to let everyone know what is the key narrative for 2026. Like for example, for the stock market, one of the key narratives I'm looking at is the AI and agentic AI wave, right? So I shared some stocks that I'm looking at, some of them I have positions in, and what kind of technical setups in terms of price action I'm looking at, right, to take advantage of this opportunity. And for the crypto market, I'm also looking at what kind of signal, right, to look out for the odd season to come in. And I share with the audience, right, my crypto watch list for 2026 as well.
Right, guys, now it's our lunch break and we're in front of the Gold and Diamond lounges. We catered food for our Gold and Diamond members, so let's check it out.
So sorry. Okay.
Yeah, so the thing about this year is I noticed many Diamond members that I met today are more experienced than last year. Perhaps they've been in the community for some time, so they've been trading and they share a lot of learnings along the way as well. A lot of them ask very good questions, very relevant ones, and some of them sharing their mistakes as well, which is very useful for others. Things like zero DT tradings, because I share my zero DT experiment, and some of the members share the same mistakes that they made trading zero DTE. So things like that, I did not have it last year, but this year I had it. It's just wonderful to see a lot of people sharing that, the learning they had.
I think everyone asks about certain questions, not technical related. I think based on my experience inside, I think more than half actually asked me about crypto related questions. Maybe because crypto is getting a bit more mainstream. But they are very interested on where are the opportunities, what kind of key narrative I'm looking out for. So I shared things like what's my view on Bitcoin, what is the certain key use case in crypto as well. Also, they asked me about how I actually achieved my trading performance in 2025 and what is the kind of sector or even narrative I'm looking out for in 2026.
So always great to be able to spend time with them because as you know, everything is online. So great to finally meet some of them in person. Although I did find out that quite a number of them have attended last year already and they are back. So it's great to see old friends and get to engage with them, find out what's really on their mind.
Anything you are the most excited about?
Most excited meeting people, meeting the faces behind the names and behind the icons. Yeah.
Right now it's 2:30. We're gonna start the first afternoon session a little bit late. Right now we're letting them check out the merchandise booth or go to the toilets or get some refreshments first while they wait.
Before I ever traded in markets, I learned hard way what real uncertainty feels like. As a very hard. My family and I attempted to escape the boats who are in the boat. We start thinking about survival. Good afternoon, everyone. Come on, good afternoon.
I am so blessed to see a big crowd to show up today and show the supports to us. And the participation level was very high, the energy level, people was laughing, having fun together. So during the presentation, I shared with them my reflection for last year, 2025, my lessons that I learned from last year, also my current outlook for this year, 2026. What is my game plans and what are the strategies I'm going to use to benefit from the current market outlook that I'm having. I also share with them a lot of mistakes that I make along the way. Hopefully, help them to avoid those costly mistakes that I made.
So before Adam's session, we're going to take a whole big group photo with everyone in the room and all the mentors.
Okay? Now, before I start my second session, can I ask you to give a round of applause to Alson and Pham? And 1, 2, 3.
Any last words for our viewers right now?
I think that it's very important to understand how to position your portfolio since the start of the year, right? Whether you are trading stocks, forex, futures, and even cryptocurrencies, or even investing, right? What are the kind of key sectors so that you can prevent yourself from getting into the stocks that are not in poor performing sectors or narrative, and prepare yourself for the year ahead.
I just want to thank all the participants who use their weekend time to come here, show their supports to us, and more importantly, we have fun together. We gather, we meet up, we match the names with the faces. And many of them, interestingly, are very active on the Discord channels. Now, I know them in person, and it's great to say thank you to them. And they're sharing not only the trading result, but also their learnings in the journey that helped a lot of newbies, new person in the community group.
So what do you have to say for those that actually missed out this year?
But I hope they can come next year and then we can have fun together.
So with that, thank you for being at 886 Outlook. Thank you for being with us. We appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the community and take care. To collect a small goal.
So thank you everyone for attending the Outlook 2026 at Marina Bay Sands, especially those of you who have flown in from all around the world. It was great having you. I'm sure you made lots of friends. You managed to learn a lot of new insights and new strategies to apply this year to make yourself a better investor and trader. Till then, I'll see you next year. May the markets be with you.